You've installed and set up your Sui wallet. Now, in part 2 of our 3-part series, we'll cover how to acquire actual tokens. You'll notice when you first try to buy a token, a setup page will ask you to choose a payment method. In Web3 lingo, we call these payment methods on-ramps. They convert traditional currency into digital assets like Sui. There are 2 main ways to on-ramp: centralized cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and payment processors, which let you purchase digital assets directly in your wallet. These payment processors currently support Sui. If you're a Web3 veteran and want to transfer digital assets from other networks, you can use a bridge. We recommend Sui Bridge, Sui's native bridge, which allows you to securely transfer ETH between Sui and Ethereum with ease. To get started, go to bridge.sui.io. Connect both your source wallet and receiving wallet, and submit a transaction. If you're bridging from Ethereum, this process can take up to 15 minutes to execute. Congrats! Once you set up your wallet on-ramp or bridge, you have all the essential tools to start your journey on Sui.